What is going on, Ape Nation? Happy 4th of July. I hope that you and your entire family have some bananas on the grill barbecuing, and you know they're going to taste wonderful. They're going to taste delicious. I got some on right now. I'm about to pull them off. If you hear some fireworks in the background, you know it is 4th of July, so don't get spooked. Don't jump out of your seat. It's normal on 4th of July. Now, I have a little bit of bad news to deliver. That bad news is, well, I'm sure some of you already anticipated it. The market will be closed tomorrow, unfortunately, but that is okay. It'll be open on Tuesday where we can get right back into it. I'm not going to keep you too long in this video because it is 4th of July and it's time for you to spend with your family. But you know what? What kind of a family member would I be if I did not put a video out for my apes, for my ape family, and spend some time with you myself? I'd be a very crappy family member. So this is why you're seeing a video from me today on the 4th of July. I love every last one of y'all. I appreciate the love that you guys have been showing me. I mean that from the very bottom of my banana-made heart, and it really means the world to me. So we're going to get started. We're going to get right into it. But before we do, I just ask that you please go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm knows to get this out to as many apes as possible, because that is our goal. That is our objective. That is our mission. Also, if you are new here or if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button. Tap that bell so you're always notified every time I drop a video. But most importantly, you're doing that to join our ape family. We are an ape family here. I treat you guys like family. I hope that you guys look at me the exact same way, because you know what? We're together. We're doing this together. We're going through all of this together. Up or down, I'm with you guys till the very end. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the securities threshold list and why AMC is appearing on it. And very briefly, for those of you who don't know, there's a regulation SHO threshold security list. This is also known as a threshold list, but basically it's a list of securities whose transactions have failed to clear during the previous trading days. Now, essentially, we're looking at 5 trading days. So regulation SHO was implemented by the SEC all the way back in 2005. It was January of 2005. They did this for the purpose of trying to reduce naked short selling practices. What is naked short selling? I'm sure everybody here already knows this, but essentially, long story short, it's when a trader sells a security that they do not actually own. And when naked short selling occurs, the associated transactions will often fail to clear because the shares in question were never really in the trader's account. And by requiring that these failed transactions are regularly reported on a threshold list, the SEC and other regulators can identify clues that naked short selling may actually have occurred. And we all know that we're not responsible for any type of naked short selling. We couldn't naked short sell even if we wanted to. We couldn't make it an impact big enough for the SEC to really give a crap. So who is the SEC after? To be completely honest with you, I'm not sure they're after anybody. I certainly know that they weren't after anybody in 2005. Regulations were being passed basically just to cover their own asses, but they really did not give a crap if the retail investor or the ape, as we are known, would be hurt. And a lot of apes were hurt back then. A lot of apes have been hurt recently. But these little punks do not care about us. They don't care about me. They don't care about you. They're acting right now, and it seems that they're going to do something about all of these shady ass practices that are taking place, but that's only because they've had so much pressure put on them. They've had a fire lit under their ass by the apes to do something, and if they don't do something, they know that there's going to be a lot of questions, and you know, apes are I'm not going to say people, apes are going to want to know what in the hell is going on. What in the hell are you doing to stop all these shady ass practices? And that is the only reason we're seeing a difference right now. It's a slow difference. Things aren't happening as fast as I would like them to happen, but you know, they're still happening, and that is the good news here. So that's what I'm keeping my faith in. That's what I'm optimistic about. And I do fully believe 110% that we will be in paradise very soon, eating all the dadgum bananas that we can possibly eat. And we're going to eat them, but before I get ahead of myself too much, and I am very heated right now because for the past few days, I've been doing a lot of research and uncovering stuff. And every time that I get into this and I think that I'm going to drop the video that actually I intended to already have dropped, I freaking run into something else. I uncover more stuff that I pretty much need to get out to you guys, and it just makes the entire process longer. But I did want to put out stuff in between so that you guys aren't waiting too long, you know, for videos. I'm still trying to put a video out every night, but just wanted you guys to know that I'm going to go ahead and move along so we're not wasting too much time here. So in order to appear on a threshold list, the security must be registered with the SEC and have had 5 or more consecutive days of failed settlement. The failed settlements must also be of a size totaling 10,000 shares or more than that, or at least be 0.5% of the security's shares outstanding. So with that being said, we know that this entire thing started on the 21st because it was the 25th when AMC initially appeared on the threshold securities list. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We skipped the weekend. So we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip the weekend again. 11. And of course, no, we're not going to count this as 11 because I told you that on the 5th, the markets would be closed. So this is 11, 12, 13 would be on the 8th of July. So July 8th would be the 13th day. And the significance of the 13th day is that that's when Rule 203B actually kicks in, and there's a requirement to close out the position, which means that in order for them to close down or close out the position, they're going to have to purchase the stock. When they purchase the stock, that's going to create, well, an upward movement in the stock price, which means that, yeah, we're going to be in paradise eating bananas. I can't even begin to tell you where in the hell the share price is going to go, but I can tell you that we're going to have a very nice time watching it go there. And just so you guys understand this just a little bit better, we've got over 513 million shares that are being failed to deliver right now. Multiplied by 0.5%, that gives us nearly 2.6 million shares failed to deliver per day. Again, we don't know exactly where the share price will go from all of this, but you can only imagine what's going to happen when these hedge funds have to start closing their positions, which means they're going to have to start buying back AMC stock. It could potentially go freaking insane. Now, we know what happened with GameStop when it hit that securities threshold list. It did take a little while, but yes, it eventually freaking exploded. So keep that in mind. I mean, we're there. We're right there. All we have to do is remain strong and keep doing exactly what the heck we've been doing. Now, keep in mind, these hedgies have a lot of freaking tricks up their sleeve. They've been doing this for a very long time. So do not underestimate the hedgies. They could stall this out a little bit longer, but the inevitable is coming for them. By that, I mean they're going to have to cover these positions. There is no doubt in my mind about that. They are going to have to do it, and once they start doing it, oh my goodness, it's going to be like a freaking domino effect. If one covers, the next is going to have to cover because it's just going to be too much freaking pressure. We saw this happen with GameStop. We saw that GameStop hit the securities threshold list, and, you know, it did take just a little bit of time, but from there, they freaking exploded, and we can expect the same to happen with AMC because, like I said, it's just a matter of time. How much we're going to make off of this, who the hell knows? It depends on how long we want to hold and what we want to charge them. Now, you guys tell me what you think we should charge them because I'm down to do whatever. Like I said before in the past, I do not give a crap. If this thing goes all the way down to 0, I am holding with you guys. I'm down to do whatever the hell my ape family wants to do because you guys are my family. Everybody else, everything else out here does not make a freaking difference to me. I really don't care what we're doing, but we do need to be on the same page. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to do. I'm down to do whatever. And yeah, you guys have a great, wonderful 4th of July. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, 0 commissions, 0 fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.